Hi, I'm Charlie Geyer.
And I'm Sarah Cicero.
We're from Cisco's Analyst Relations and PR teams, and we're here in Washington, D.C. this week at the Cable Show. Seeing lots of hot topics on the show floor, from IP for cable, to new set-top box introductions, to DOCSIS 3.0, and a lot of clear examples of MediaNet's relevancy to the cable market.
Yeah, the news that Cisco distributed at the show includes our new set-top box platform, highlighting our whole home HD DVRs. And we also announced a DOCSIS 3.0 launch with Service Electric broadband cable, as well as new research highlighting consumer readiness for connected life services.
In other service provider related news this week, Cisco recognized Verizon Wireless for their operational excellence, an announcement that really highlighted some of the first deployments of the ASR 9000, the new platform that we introduced in November. And we're also selected as the IP NGN provider for Clearwire's WiMAX Innovation Network that will cover 20 square miles in Silicon Valley. So clearly lots of stuff going on, lots of involvement from Cisco, and lots of work with our customers that we're very excited about and wanted to share with you today. That's all from us. Thank you very much.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.